Hey there! Planning a trip to Europe and wondering if you can use your Wells Fargo debit card? I've got you covered. First things first. Yes, you can use your Wells Fargo debit card in Europe. It's accepted wherever the card's network is recognized, like Visa or MasterCard. But, hold on, there's a catch. There's often a 3% foreign transaction fee. So, every time you buy that delicious croissant or a souvenir, you're adding a bit more to the cost. Don't forget about ATM withdrawal fees too. Some banks charge extra when you take out cash overseas. But don't worry, I have some tips to help you save. Tip number 1. Check if your destination has an international partner bank with Wells Fargo. This can reduce or even eliminate those pesky ATM fees. Tip number 2. Use a credit card with no foreign transaction fees for larger purchases. It's a smart way to avoid extra charges. Tip number 3. Always choose to pay in the local currency. Dynamic currency conversion can cost you more. Before you jet off, notify Wells Fargo about your travel plans. This helps prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity. You can easily set up a travel notice through the Wells Fargo app or website. Lastly, have a backup plan. Carry a second card and some cash just in case. That's all you need to know about using your Wells Fargo debit card in Europe. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Bye for now.